Hi guys, so welcome to my unboxing of a very special plant that has taken me ages to find, and I finally found it on Acorn Nursery. What this is a purple oak, a purple English oak. So I'll put up on the screen somehow if you know what a copper beech is, a purple beech, whatever you want to call it. That is basically this, but in the oak form. So this is Quercus robur or Timuki, sorry. So this is actually a Timuki. I have got a purpurea coming, but this is a Timuki. So the thing about Acorn Nurseries is they do specialise in a lot of like massive orders. So if you are going to order from them, basically either buy a load of trees, because they are specialists in trees and a very good one at that. I bought a few before off of them. So let's open the box. As you might be aware, obviously I have land, and this is going to be one of my centerpieces on my land. So hopefully, and also maybe, you might have just seen Winnie. Hopefully it's not been destroyed, because not that the nursery would have done it, but obviously, like, we all know what carrier services are like. So perfect. It looks good so far. So it looks very well protected. So it's got this, it's got cardboard and then loads of bubble wrap on it. So it's going to make it harder to open, but I'd rather it be harder to open than, obviously, if you're ever opening something like this type of plant, be very careful. If you look, you've got the cardboard and then the wrapping around it. So I would normally open this on the land, but I've just gone back from work and it's dark. Oh, it's in a pot, so I don't have to plant it right now, but I am going to with loads of compost and mulch. Not the best idea to plant this time of the year, but you can still do it. Okay, so that's the plant. Not the plant, but let's take this one. Nice. Looks really healthy actually. It's a bit wet there, but it looks really. Let's see the graft. So this is the thing with all of these type of trees, is they're grafted normally, because they're normally only one parent tree, one parent spore on a normal oak. Yeah, look at that. That's really nice. That's a really nice oak. And I've got another plant growing in it as well. Nice. And I've got a slug. Yeah, so this is, where's the graft? Oh, there's graft. Yeah, the graft's fine. Graft's perfect. Lovely. So this is a purple Timuki. It's a really nice specimen. To be honest, it looks like an oak. So there's no difference there. But it's a nice structure. It's got a nice bit here, that will make a nice little thing. This will make a nice little. I might take these two off, maybe. or I might wait for them to grow and then take them off to make the cuttings. But we'll see. We'll see. We don't have to take cuttings because I want this to grow and be a nice big tree. So what I'll do is I will show you another video with this fully in leaf, and it will be very nice. Definitely with this particular tree I will be putting a protection around it as well, because obviously I do not want anything happening to this beauty. So it's rare in the sense that it's a purple oak. It's not rare that it's an oak, basically. It's a Quercus robur, which is the common English oak, and also quite a common oak around the world. So, well, especially in Europe, sorry. But yeah, it's a beautiful specimen of a plant. It's going to obviously be here for well after I'm dead. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and all that great stuff. And if you got to the end, please give this video a like. It really means a lot. But this is the purple, purple oak, or the Quercus robur Timuki, or Timuki. So thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next one.